Hello everyone, welcome. Yes, welcome today in the newspaper of Wednesday, February the 24th, 2021. We have here an additional with extra Sudokus, with Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars. But also we have a tectonic with 4 stars, tectonic with 1 star, binary puzzle number 1 and a binary puzzle number 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus. I won't do them all, only 4 of them. And the first one I will solve will be the Sudoku with 3 stars. This will be number 2, 3, 7, 5. 2, 3, 7, 5. Alright, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25. I've already counted. So I have also counted for the 4 stars. 24, yes. Alright, so let's get started. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. You see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. You see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 4. Need to wait. Yeah. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. And then I cannot continue with 8. Need to wait. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this big square. So no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, and the 7 is missing. Look, we have a 7 there. No 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 1 in the row below. So on the last row, the only place for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in the last row. The 2 is missing, the 3 is missing, and the 9 is missing. Look, we have here 3 and there 3, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So the 2 and the 9 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 digit left in this big square for the number 6. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 and the 9 are missing. 5 and a 9. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 5 and a 9. 2, 3, and so 3 missing numbers. The 2, the 3, and the 7. And look, we have a 7 and a 3 here. So no 7 and a 3 in this box. The 7 and the 3 goes in these 2 boxes. So 1 digit left should be the number 2. Alright. Then yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. Yes, we see here 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then. How about, let me see. 1, 165, 165. Need a 5, need a 5, need a 5. 4, 4. 4, 4. 4, 4. Yeah. How about 1, 2, 6? 1, 2, 6. Yeah. I'm thinking. 999. 5. Need a 5 also. Yeah. Could be a tough one. Yeah. Let me put some numbers because it's taking too long. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 2 could be here, could be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row. The only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 could be here, could be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place for the 9 should be there. 7, 1. 1, 2, 3, 2, 6, 8. No. 2, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. Then 7 in this row, 7 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Seven in this column, 7 in the middle column. So column next, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 7. Need to wait. Four in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in that column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in the last column, 4 in that in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 4. Right. 2, 6, 5. Yeah. 2, 6, 5. Let me see. 9, 2, 9, 5. Yes. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this column. Those numbers are the 2, the 9, and the 5 is missing. We have here 5, no 5 there. We have here also a 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. 2 and the 9 are left. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 5 should be there. Yeah. 5, 5. Okay. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. 1. Yeah. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 here. I have those 2 boxes marked with the 7 and the 3. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 3, number 7. Alright. Now I have a 3 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 3, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This box should be a 3. 5, 5, 5, 6, 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in the last column for the number 6. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 6 and 5. 6 and 5. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. This box should be the 5. And this should be a 9. One box left in this column for the number 9 is missing. Yes. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. 2 and 1. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 8 in the third column, 8 in the first column, so the column between the second column. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 8. 1, no. Let me see. 265. Yes, 3 missing numbers. 265 are missing. And look, 6 and a 5 we have here. So this should be the 2. The 6 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Now we have a 2 here. So this box can't be a 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. This should be a 1. 1 box left in this column for the number 9. 1 box left in the third column for the number 1. 1 is missing, yes. 2 boxes left in this big square for the number 6 and 2. 6 and 2. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be 2 anymore. This box should be a 2. And this should be a 1. 1 box left in this row for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6 are missing. We see here 1. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And 6 goes there. And 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 2, and this should be a 9. Yes, finish in 18 minutes. Wow. I like this one. 3 Stars Sudoku. And I'm very pleased with the time. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku. See you then. Bye bye for now.